It's coffee time. Let's pour that water. Glug, 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 glug. Now we're gonna boil that water in the electric kettle. And now we're gonna put that delicious coffee in the French press. Pour that hot water, baby. Now put high frequency intentions into your coffee so you can have an awesome day full of happy energy. Walk like an Egyptian. I'm actually going very slow so it doesn't bubble too much at the top. I heard somewhere recently that iced coffee is outselling hot coffee for like the first time ever, and don't front, you know this stuff is the best. My favorite sweetener is maple syrup. Now it's time to go be hyper.